Look how beautiful it is. The children will love it. So go ahead, guys, and have fun. Go ahead and make this, guys. My party rainbow cake. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be baking for you a cake. Alright, super moist party rainbow chip cake mix. So I'm gonna follow this instruction and I'm gonna try and bake it for you. Okay, so let's get started. Before I continue, remember to like all my other videos, remember to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment. Okay, so let's get started. So right here I have my pot that I'm gonna be mixing the mixture in. This hand mixer. This is, it said 3 eggs, but I'm using 2, and a cup of oil, 1 cup of oil, vegetable oil, and some water. So let's get started. First I'm gonna be pouring the mixture. Pouring this mixture in the bowl. Okay. Right. It's open. Pour it in. Party mix. Guys, look at it. It has sprinkles in it. It has pretty stuff in it. Can you see it? Pretty stuff is in it. I'm gonna pour in my eggs. I'm gonna pour in my oil. I'm gonna pour in my water. Okay. I'm gonna plug in my mixture. Mix up. Guys, then I'm going guys, it looks like it is ready. Look at it. Alright. Oh, looking lovely. It's pretty mixture. I'm gonna get the grease pan ready to pour my butter in. Okay, cake butter. Alright. Now I'm gonna turn on the oven. And it's at 350 degrees on bake for it to heat up until I'm ready to add my cake to it. Alright, so there you go. Greasing it so that the cake doesn't stick in the bottom of it. So yes, that's why I'm greasing it. Alright, You can also add grease paper to the bottom. Okay, pour the butter in the container. Adding the butter into the oven. As of now, so it's set to bake for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna allow it to bake and then show you my finished product. Okay. So guys, I'm checking it, but it seems to be not ready as yet. Okay. Still a little jelly, so I'm gonna allow it to bake some more. Okay. Alright, so there you have it, guys, my finished product. Okay, good for the children. Now it's summertime, so you can bake this nice cake for them. Mix it with some ice cream and some Skittles, and that's a party mix. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Nice cake with some rum and raisin ice cream and some Skittle. Good for the entire family and for the children. Go ahead and make this, guys. My party rainbow cake. Look how beautiful it is. The children will love it. So go ahead guys and have fun. Nice cake with some rum and raisin ice cream and some Skittle. Good for the entire family and for the children. Look how beautiful it is. The children will love it. So go ahead guys and have fun.